Tastes better than the Philly steak.
Hi guys,
Hi everyone,
this is Joe.
I'm Leo. Welcome to Deep Channel.
Today we are going to barbecue beef tongue. We are going to use a knife to clean the outside skin of the beef tongue first. It's still freezing, so that it's easier to clean. We almost finished cleaning. It will be done very soon.
So now we cut it to pieces. Now we see this is the back part of the beef tongue. Have more fat. Tastes better than the Philly steak. This is the front part of the beef tongue. Have more muscle. After barbecue, taste more crunch.
Hi guys, so
Hi.
beef tongue is already milked, and we are going to barbecue now.
Now we add some black pepper and salt in
The beef tongue, and we also add some oil. Today we are going to cook in 2 different spices. Leo doesn't eat spicy, and I want to try some spicy stuff. So let's melt. Since I want to try some spicy, I will get 1/3 of the beef tongue. Add some red wine and the salt here.
add the spicy. Okay, the front or the tongue is ready. Let me try first.
I think this one is ready.
Tastes good. This is medium cook. Tastes juicy and tender.
Oh, smells good. Cannot wait.
Joe, what's today's menu?
Oh, I'm so sorry. The food is so delicious. I forgot to write down. Let me go write it down. If you like our food, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.